Dress appropriately. Wear attire suitable for the occasion and reflective of your personal style. Dressing well contributes to a positive first impression. Maintain eye contact. Establish and maintain eye contact to convey confidence and attentiveness. Show engagement without staring. Smile and be approachable. A warm smile creates a friendly atmosphere. Be mindful of body language to appear open and welcoming. Offer a firm handshake. A firm and confident handshake conveys professionalism. Ensure it's not too firm or weak. Introduce yourself clearly. Clearly state your name and role. Speak with clarity and a moderate pace. Listen actively. Show genuine interest by actively listening and asking follow-up questions. Be positive and enthusiastic. Maintain a positive attitude and express enthusiasm about the meeting. Find common ground.